Should have ate more. Did not eat enough today, I don't think. What's up, everyone? Katie here from MB Tennis. Hope you guys are doing good today. We are on day 5 today. I am back home in my room in the original MP Tennis studio for my people that have been here for a long time. We are home for the holidays. I'm back. Gonna bring you guys through another workout today, but this time I'll actually be in my home gym, which is really nice to come back to somewhere that you're used to, and just for my people that know that feeling, it's nice. We're gonna go through a strength workout, and also I'm gonna show you guys the med ball circuit that I didn't get to and was not able to complete in the last day just because of the space that I was working in. I couldn't really throw the med ball in that student gym that I was in or in the dance studio because there was mirrors everywhere. But yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys through that. Life is good. It's nice to be back. Traveling though a little bit the last week or so. If you guys knew, or if you guys were listening closely in the last video, I've been busy with the end of school with all the finals, and we were in I was in Montreal last weekend, and then flew back home here the other day. Was away this past weekend supporting my sister at some volleyball stuff. So I'm back. I'm ready to continue on this little journey, and hopefully we'll also be able to get on court sometime this week and really kind of nail in some stirrup stuff. We'll bring you guys maybe through some points as well. But yeah, you guys know what time it is. It's time for the supplements. Good stuff. Nice. One more. Actually, I lied, one more. So yeah, it's nice. It's good to be back. Christmas time is, always special. Our family isn't really like a family that really celebrates it to the tip top, but definitely enjoy the holiday season with friends and family. And yeah, it's just nice to be home, not doing school either. For my college friends on here, you guys know the stress of finals and stuff. Luckily, I was able to finish strong with pretty much, I think, all A's and A minuses. So, good thing. Got to be a good student athlete, not athlete, student athlete. So, can't complain. Good grades, good life, good tennis, good working out, good everything. So, with that, supplements are done. Let's take you guys to the gym and we'll run through that workout and as well the med ball circuit. Let's go. All right, guys, so here we go. Power cleans and hang snatches today. Not bad. Got the creatine and the electrolytes here. Throw some more weight on. Actually felt really good, that last one. Felt good and strong. I'm gonna add 20 pounds total here for the second set. Can't do 30 with this. reach my max. All right, again. So yeah, I have not worked out actually in a few days because I was traveling, like I said, and well, that's a lie. I did work out 2 days ago, but I don't really count. I was just working out at home with my dad actually, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to get a workout in, but it was not one that should be put on social media, just like a HIIT workout. Here we go. Back to the kind of squat ones. One more for good times. Feel it. Let's go. Sorry, not talking much, kind of focusing here. Just kind of feel really good in the zone sometimes, and you're not really thinking about anything else except the move. Let's go. Solid. Shoulder is a little sore though from one of the last workouts we did with you guys where I did the presses behind my back. I kind of hurt it, actually. I strained it. And I had a massage this morning and tried to release some of it, but I'm gonna have to do some exercises, I think, and really load up the recovery on that because it is sore, tight, strained, I think. Also got some cupping on it. I'm not that big on passive therapy, but sometimes you do it just to do it, especially if it comes with my massage. So yeah, anyway, I got one more here. So I guess what I was trying to get at there with my shoulder there is it is a little bit tight when I'm at these clamps, Jesus. It is a little bit tight when I'm doing the ones that are the presses, are the snatches, I think they're called. That was not clean. We can do better than that. So we have a deadlift now. We're gonna throw this little plate here because it's a deficit deadlift. Normally I'm doing the 25s outside. We gotta grind. We got 8 reps of this. Here we go. Here we go. 8. Solid. Now we have the pull-ups, chin-ups, and neutral grip. I don't know if I'll be able to show you the neutral grip though. I'll have to move the camera, but we'll start with chin-ups here. Nice. Pull-ups. Let's go. All right, we have, it's kind of like a back squat. We've done it before. We have the barbell calf raises, and then we have some dips, but I subbed that for loaded push-up, and I'm gonna load it with the vest today because I can, because I'm at my home gym. And then we have back extensions, which I'm gonna have to sub out for something because I can't. They don't have the equipment here for that. But let's do this. See how far we can go. Get up on these toes. Sweet. Added 50 more pounds actually today. Okay, this is gonna be a struggle, I think, but let's fucking go for it. Never have done push-ups actually with a vest, and it was actually not that bad. That's one thing now that I'm just thinking about. I'm good. That's good that I've been able to do that with the vest. I know it's probably not that much, maybe like 20 pounds, but it's better than just doing them regular, right? And these like barbell calf raises are actually feel easy when you're doing them, but like as soon as you step off and put the rack back, you definitely kind of feel it. 3 med ball exercises, 2 different med balls. First one we have is like a granny push. Other leg. Second one we have is a shot put throw. Something like this. I did more than I should have there. I did 7, but you gotta do 5 each time. Oh boy, getting a little tired here. Haven't done these in a while actually. And we got like an open stance one, kind of very resemblance of tennis. I'm actually using 20 pounds for that, probably more than I should, but I want to use a heavier one, and we don't have another one that could maybe fit in between. Did not eat enough today, I don't think. I don't know if I'll actually end up using this, but I am in the sauna right now. Wrapped up the workout, and I like to finish sometimes my workout with a sauna once I'm all stretched. And yeah, I'm gonna be in here for about 30 minutes at about 185 degrees Fahrenheit. So gonna have to get my phone out of here. All right, guys, we are back. Workout done. Pretty solid. Got my banana and my, oh my God, these are so good. If you guys have like a Costco, we have them in Canada and I think they have them in the US as well. These like signature Kirkland mini, whatever the hell, cookies. Oh my God, to die for. Anyway. We're not talking about advertisements for Kirkland and cookies. We're talking about a workout, and it was good. It was just a strength day today. I didn't film it, but I also did the verse at the end. You guys also did see my med ball circuit, which was pretty solid. I'm used to the smaller med balls, though, because those are the ones that I use at school. So I haven't actually used the bigger med balls in a while. What else did we do? Oh, I also got a sauna. That's really nice. Really relaxing. What the heck? Shooting banana everywhere here. That's really relaxing, especially when like you want to like chill out after a workout, do some breathing. I often do that in the sauna. Releases a lot of like, I don't want to say stress because that's so generic and that's kind of not why I do the sauna. It just releases like, I don't know, the shit in your body, and it just feels good, especially after a workout. And man, like I had it cranked up to like, 185 Fahrenheit's got to be like 75 Celsius maybe. I don't know what it is, but that's what it said today. So I was in there for about 30 minutes, and yeah, it just nice way to end the workout. Tomorrow, I am playing tennis, so we will bring you guys there. I think I will hit the gym before. Not sure if I'll show you guys that yet because maybe I'll just show you some of the practice tomorrow. We'll see, but yeah, overall, happy with the workout today. We did make some progress, I really do think, as far as technique, and I did add a little bit more weight to my deadlifts there, the deficit ones. Oh, and also we wore the vest today, which is good. Because I remember when I first started my first block of these workouts, before I even started like showing you guys and we had this goal, I was so sore everywhere in my body just because different workouts, different plans make you, like if you're not used to a certain workout, you're going to get sore, obviously. So I've been kind of slowly getting used to them over the last few weeks, and especially since we started doing, the 130 mile an hour serve goal. And now I feel like it's time to, up weight in some categories. So like I said, I had the deficits today on the push-up. I put a vest on. I added 20 more pounds to the deadlift. But I still need to maintain the technique as well. That's really, really important. Like I don't want to add weight and not be able to do it. Like for example, when I started with the snatches today and the power stuff, like I was struggling with 35 on each side for the one that comes overhead. So I took 10 off and still maintained good technique. So you need to be able to find a balance, have good technique, and also have good weight. That's just what makes me feel good. Maybe it'll make you feel good as well. So yeah, that's it. Gonna eat the banana and the cookies, be a little fatty. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Let's keep this going, and yeah, thank you guys, and go get a grind in today somehow.